Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This time I'm just going to be showing you guys how I made this sort of cropped kimono style summer cover up. It's super lightweight, just made out of some leftover fabric, and it's got some faux piping detail, and it's just something that's really easy to pack, really easy to wear, and I'm really proud of it. I've drafted the pattern based on a kimono style beach cover up that I already had, and stick around to the end because I've got the pattern diagram and all the measurements on there. Let's get into it. Okay, I've got a diagram with the pattern at the end. So to start with, sew the two front pieces to the back piece. As you can see here, I'm doing wrong sides together, so I'm doing French seams, as the fabric is prone to fraying and I don't have an overlocker. If you don't have these same constraints, then this project will be quicker and easier for you. Just do a semicircle scoop in the center back to allow for a better fit. Just line up where your sleeves are going to finish and sew up the side seams. To sew the cuff, you need to sew the right side of the cuff to the wrong side of the sleeve, and then sew the ribbon to the right side of the cuff at the other end. And then as you curve this round, you can see that it tucks all the raw edges inside itself, and then you just sew along the ribbon in matching thread to conceal the seam, and there you have your cuff, and hopefully the video explains this better than me. After that, sew the sleeve seam along the bottom. After that, insert the sleeve into your remaining armhole. Then it's time to do the same sort of cuff decoration along the inner aspect to the front. And that's the final thing. So all finished. This is just me trying to show you how it looks on. And I do particularly like it when it's tied at the front, but equally you could get a small clasp and it would also look really nice. And these are the pattern pieces and the number of pieces you need. Pause here and then you can refer back to the video. Okay, that's everything guys. Hopefully you found the video useful. As always, if you did, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.